Hey, for Mike Chung Dha here. In this video, we're going to compare diffusing a light with a shoot-through umbrella to a diffusion screen.
And the light that we are using is the Aputure Mini 20D.
So using a shoot-through umbrella is actually quite a portable setup because you're just using one light stand, one mount for holding the light and also the umbrella, one light and the umbrella itself. So one negative thing with using an umbrella is that you will see these rods, and it's actually quite obvious when you are shooting something that is glossy or actually like doing close-up of somebody's eye. You will actually see and notice that it's using an umbrella. So the great thing using a diffusion screen like this is that you don't have like the rods of an umbrella, so you get like a more nicer, softer light without having like those lines in the middle. The only downside is that you need to have an additional stand to hold this screen.
So now let's compare the different diffusers.
So that was mainly it. Please comment below which of the diffusion you like the most. And if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.